What if I told you there was a completely free marketing strategy where leads can come into your own wholesaling real estate business, cost $0 at all, you can have AI literally do most of the work for you, and you can do it virtually over a computer with really not that much setup at all. Now, I know this seems a little too good to be true, but this is exactly what I'm going to be teaching you today in this video. I'm going to show you how to wholesale over 20 houses this year with digital bandit signs. That's right. I'm going to show you a free online marketing strategy so you can actually go out here and stick digital bandit signs out all over the internet so you can have wholesaling real estate success. Now, before I break it down, before I share with you another new marketing strategy for wholesaling success, you already know what to do. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, go to freewholesaling.com, my completely free real estate wholesaling course, and let's get into it. So I know it sounds crazy. AI writing scripts for me and doing everything for me, having inbound leads where I don't have to cold call or SMS text blast, and leads are just coming into me. Is this some guru marketing ploy that I'm trying to snatch on you today? No, not at all. I'm going to show you exactly everything I pretty much know for free today so you can have wholesaling real estate success. Now, there is a catch to this. You're definitely going to still have to do some work. You're not going to click a button and AI is not going to get you all these deals for you. It's just a tool that's going to help you gain an unfair advantage with your competition. And so it's definitely going to help you, but it's not going to do everything for you. So let's get into it. First and foremost, they are called digital bandit signs. Now, everybody knows my first 100K in high school and basically my first deal in wholesaling real estate were from these little known things called bandit signs, where I just put these signs out in the ground. They said, "We buy ugly houses for cash." And I got people inbound calling me trying to sell their properties for cash and put them outside my high school wrestling tournaments. And they did very well for me. Now, unfortunately, I had to get up very early in the morning. I had to physically write the signs myself. I had to put them out in the ground. And it was a lot of stinking work. But now with the digital age in wholesaling real estate, we can put what we call digital bandit signs. And they're not really bandit signs more or less, but they're kind of like signs I can put all over the internet saying that I buy houses for cash. And really, this has been a marketing strategy that I've used a lot lately. But what you need to understand about it was Rick's been using this method for decades on phishing forums and Facebook groups right when they started out. But really, they were a lot of work. It was really tedious to make the ads, and it really wasn't the best type of marketing strategy to get wholesaling deals. But they still worked for us. The big catalyst that actually led to us having the most wholesaling real estate success here was with AI. And with AI, a lot of these ads where I have to spend hours and hours creating them were done pretty much for free with the help of AI. And that's what I'm going to show you today, how to use AI with a strategy to really put your wholesaling real estate business on steroids. The reason why I love this so much is it costs no money at all. It doesn't take too much time, but I'm still going to have to put some effort into this. If you got a little bit of brains, this is going to lead you to the best success. So let's get into step-by-step how to do digital bandit signs. Number one, there is two types of digital bandit signs. There are ones you get from Facebook and ones you get from Craigslist. Let's talk about Facebook first and foremost. These are like digital bandit signs we can put out on Facebook groups. Now, if you don't know about Facebook groups, well, you're probably living under a rock, but these are groups you have in Facebook with hundreds of thousands and tens of thousands of people. There are people that like sports teams. There are people that like knitting. There's people that like fishing. There's all types of groups, city specific, hobby specific, whatever it really is. There are Facebook groups pretty much for everything. Now, all you have to do with digital bandit signs on Facebook groups is just find Facebook groups for your city or county that are local. I recommend if you live in like Fort Lauderdale, just search Fort Lauderdale Facebook groups and see what pops up. And then like Broward County Facebook groups for your county, see what pops up. Join these groups and be a part of them. And every once in a while or consistently, you can put little bandit signs out and just posts. So the big key part of this video, which I haven't really talked about too much, but these bandit signs are not bandit signs. They are just posts or ads, and they cost no money at all. They're not Facebook ads where you got to spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to get a wholesaling deal. They're actually kind of the opposite. You just make a post, and if somebody wants to sell their house, they can see that post and give us a call. This is what Rick did a lot in phishing forums like 15 years ago, where he let people know in these phishing forums in Florida with 15,000 people in them, hey, if you're looking to sell your property, I'm looking to buy a couple. And that got in front of 15,000 people. That was like 15,000 phone calls back then by just clicking one little post. Same thing with a Facebook group. Now you're going to be screaming at me like, Zach, what do I write? How do I write it? What do I do? Oh my gosh, this is so crazy and complicated. And really it's not. All you have to use is ChatGPT or AI to really write these with you. And really, if you get very creative of asking AI to, hey, create an ad in this specific Facebook group, you got to actually get the specifics about how I'm looking to buy some houses for cash, maybe do a little casual, and have AI write it for you. There's really no big secret here. The best one's ChatGPT. I talk about Bard AI a lot, but I think ChatGPT is way better when it comes to digital bandit signs, and that's definitely one I'd recommend right now. Now, if you want to learn exactly what to say to ChatGPT and the exact scripts and things, I would go to freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course, because I do dive very deep into this in my AI section in freewholesaling.com. Again, it's free, it costs nothing. There's no little gimmicks in there. Just sign up, go to the AI section and learn what I'm talking about. But my one piece of advice for Facebook groups is seem like you're a real human being. Don't sound like a robot. Don't say weird words like furthermore and salutations. That's a little too formal, right? But just sound like a real human being and have AI kind of write it over, and it should lead you to some wholesaling success. The next one here are what we call Craigslist digital bandit signs. Now they're very similar to Facebook, except we're just posting ads on Craigslist and we're just letting people know that we're looking to buy some houses for cash. Now I would say Facebook groups work a lot better, but Craigslist is still a great way to find these wholesaling deals. And this has been a method that's been going on for decades and decades of decades. People are saying we buy ugly houses for cash, but literally just do it. Now the one thing with Craigslist you're gonna have to understand is there are going to be certain keywords and phrases that Craigslist doesn't like. And I'd love to spit out what they currently are right now, but from my personal experience and as of this morning testing things out, sometimes we buy ugly houses gets flagged and taken off instantly, and other times it just goes through. It's really weird and random how you do it, but if you have AI make hundreds of types of variations for these Craigslist ads just saying that you buy houses for cash, that's probably going to lead you to the best wholesaling success. So all you have to do is have AI write the posts, copy the ad copy, put it into Craigslist, and start posting everywhere you possibly can. That's pretty much it. I make it easy, simple, so you can actually start getting leads in. Now, I can't guarantee this is going to change your whole life and make you hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. This is one strategy I recommend everybody watching this video actually try right now, because it can help lead you to wholesaling success. Now, guys, what's the big secret? What's the big difference that's actually going to land you more success in wholesaling real estate with digital bandit signs and not? Well, the honest secret here is I would say consistent posting. I would consistently post content on Facebook groups and on Craigslist ads to try to get the message out that you're looking to buy some houses for cash. That's pretty much it. I don't overcomplicate it. I don't make it any more crazy than it needs to be, and really just consistently do it every single day. It's a marketing channel, right? So I have to consistently cold call people, consistently text blast for success, and right now, consistently post those ads. Next here, guys, you need to find the ad copy that works and stick to it. You're going to find some ad copy you post on Craigslist or Facebook that just doesn't do any good or it has no leads. If you consistently post and it never gets good leads after a lot of tries, you should maybe try to switch it up a little, and it'll probably lead you to some better success. And last but not least, guys, think outside the box. The conventional thinking of thousands of people probably watching this video, they're all going to do the same exact thing I say. So if you can make ad copy that seems a little creative or out of the box and have AI do it, you'll do well. You got to remember, AI is only going to be as good as the questions you ask it. And if you ask AI very terrible questions, or if you ask it, make an ad on Craigslist saying I buy houses for cash, that'll work, but it won't be creative to get that jump start ahead of your competition. Write an ad explaining that I'm looking to buy houses in the next 14 days for cash, and then put something else creative in there, and it should lead you to having a better success rate than the average wholesaler doing this. And that's how you do social media deals or digital bandit signs. Now, if you want to see exactly me doing real life examples of this, actually going inside of Craigslist and posting this, going inside of Facebook groups, finding the right Facebook groups, the wrong Facebook groups, what I post, what I don't post, I would recommend you go to the Digital Bandit Sign Academy inside of Flip the Work Plus. Flip the Work Plus is free for anyone that does send me a JV deal, so I do recommend you send me some JV deals, or you can pay a small nominal fee to keep up Flip the Work Plus, the education platform. Either way you do it, you'll get access to the Digital Bandit Sign Academy, which is one of 15 plus courses inside of Flip the Work Plus, including live events, bonus live streams, extended live streams, and everything you love about Flip the Work, just more. Or if you're really new and you really don't understand some of the stuff I've been talking about, like AI and ChatGPT, just go to freewholesaling.com. It's my free wholesaling course, and I have all the fundamentals broken down exactly how to use AI and ChatGPT for digital bandit signs and for wholesaling real estate. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a big favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, go to freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course, and I'll see you guys on the next video. This is Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.